MEXC P2P Trading. How to buy crypto USDT BTC on MEXC peer-to-peer. If this is interesting to you, then you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheyi. In this video, I want to show you how to buy crypto, USDT BTC from MEXC P2P Trading. The first thing you have to do is to have an account with MEXC, secure the account, and verify your account. If you have not done that, I have special video I already made in my YouTube channel here. To watch the video, check the pinned comment or description to this video, then you see link to go and watch the video. But ensure you watch this one to the end first. So next thing to do is to locate P2P button. How will you do that? If you don't see it around here, then the next thing to do is to click on more button. Then you should see it here under assets, P2P button. Now click on it. Alternatively, if you are using your browser on your phone, just come to this place. You see these three parallel lines here. Now click on it. Then you see buy crypto. Now click on this drop down menu. Now you see P2P trading. Then you can click on it. The third means you see assets here. Assets, click on it. Now you see deposits. Now click on deposit. Then you see P2P trading. Then you can click on it. So I've shown you three different means to get to P2P interface. Then you will see P2P interface like this. First thing you should be sure of is buy or sell button. By default, you will see it in buy button. So if it's in sell button, make sure you check and click on buy button because you want to buy crypto. Second thing is this one. Click on this. You can see USDT here. Click on it. Then you see different coin you can buy here. Is it USDT you want to buy or BTC? So you can use any of these or USDC. But as for this tutorial, we are selecting USDT. Then you can put amount you want to buy. You can put it here so that this can filter out the eligible sellers for you. Next is this. This is my currency, Nigerian Naira. You will see your own also. But if you are seeing something different, you can easily click here and select your desired currency. Your local currency you want to use to make payment. Then you can come to this filter and filter out your choice. But for this video, I will leave everything just like that. So I want to continue with this. You are watching mobile view. I want to put it in desktop view. So this is the desktop view. It's just the same thing with mobile. One of the good things about using MEXC is ability to know the sellers that are online. Look at it from here. Are you seeing that this one is green? It indicates that this person is online. So before you determine buying from anyone, you have to check their rates. This one have 1,588.97 Nigerian Naira per USDT. Why this one sells at the rate of 1,588.99 and so on. As for me, I think this guy's rate is okay for me. Another thing to consider is their past transactions. Look at this one. This one have 100%. That is, this guy is doing well. And this guy have completed 192 orders in the past few days. Why this guy have just 32 orders but still have 100% completion? Why this one have 0 orders, 0 completion? This one have 372 orders, 100% completion rate, but the price for this one is 1,591. So I will consider this guy 1,588. At least he still have like 32 orders completed successfully. Apart from the exchange rate, this guy should have more trust score because this guy have traded with 372 orders successfully. Why this guy have just 32 orders? Then one more thing to consider is this: their limit, the range they are selling. This guy sell within the range of 5,000 to 9,000 plus. This one within 5,000 to 400,000. This one within 5,000 to 342,000 and so on. So check their limits, their maximum and minimum they are selling. I think I've concluded to buy from this guy. Another thing is payment method. So this one put bank transfer. So check payment method before you will jump in. So I'll click on this, but my concern is this guy is not online and I'm seeing 28 minutes ago. Presently none of them are online, but let me try this one. 28 minutes ago, I'll click on buy from this guy. Then I will test this guy with 5,000 Naira. Payment method, click on it, bank transfer, no problem. Then I will click on this. I have read and agreed to MEXC peer-to-peer service agreement. Then I click on buy USDT. So make sure you read through these security tips. So look at this. We are given 14 minutes for this transaction. If payment is not made before the countdown ends, the order will be automatically cancelled. So this is the account I will send to now. Now my concern is because this guy is not online, but to be sure that this guy is online before I transfer this money, I want to be sure that this guy is active online with me before I will send the money. So I will chat with this guy now. Now look at my message. I say, hey, are you active online? Should I go ahead with the payment? So this is just to be sure that this guy is active with me online before I will make payments, just to play safe. Although if I make payment, send the proof of payment and click on transfer completed, notify seller, everything. After 11 minutes given us, if this guy refuses to release the coin, maybe it's not active online, I think the MEXC support will take action on their own to release the coin. They will take it up on their own, but I don't want drama, so I'm waiting for his response first. So you know what I will do now? I've waited enough and I have 8 more minutes, where after 8 minutes, if I don't make payment, nothing happens, they will cancel this automatically. As you can see from here, they have responded. Your order is about to expire. If you haven't made a payment yet, please proceed with caution. So what I will do now is to close it, click on cancel. If you have paid the seller, please do not cancel the transaction, no problem. Please select the reason for cancellation. Unable to contact the merchant. I don't meet the requirement, no. So me, I'll put other reasons. Now I put the merchant is not available online at all. I messaged him before making payment, but no response. Confirm. So let me look for another person. Oh, this one is online. Great. So let me click on buy. This guy 5,000 OP. Good. Select payment method. This guy have OP, PanPay, Kuda. So I'll put OP. I'm okay with this. I've read and agreed to service agreement. Click on buy USDT. So let me prepare to make the payment fast. I click on OK. So let me pay to this guy OP. Good. The account number is provided. So I'm giving 14 minutes time frame to play this. So let me quickly send to this pay. So from OP now, I'm seeing the name here and I checked the name I'm seeing here also. I see that it's the same. So I'm very sure that I'm sending to the right person. So I'll put the amount, and when you are sending, there's no need of putting crypto stuff, whatever. Now click on confirm. So I've made the payment now. Now look at the instruction given me here. Drop your active phone number and proceed with the payment. Drop receipt after payment. I'm always active. So I need to send the proof of payment to this guy now. So I'll click on this plus, then I'll click on this image to upload my proof of payment. So this is my proof of payment. Oh, good. Then I'll click on this transfer completed, notify seller. Then I click on confirm. So I want to check my wallet. I think it's 215 I have, right? 215.35, and I'm expecting 3 USDT there. Now you are buying USDT. I'm waiting the seller to confirm receipt. Oh, good. Transaction completed. So I'm okay now. Completion. So let me check my balance. Oh, it has added 218 now. So it's done. It's done. Let me click on this balance. You will see the recent transaction here now. Now you can see it has added. It has added to it. Oh, great. Now you can see this is the money. 3.14 USDT. This is the money I just bought now. So that is just how to buy USDT using P2P. If you find this interesting, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like on this video and share this video because there are many people that will benefit from this. Make sure you share my video, please. And I beg you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question based on this, please drop it for me in the comment section. This video is the one I want you to go and watch next. Now, very, very important. Go and watch this video and you will thank me later for this. Love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.